And great brands, can't be positioned in a vacuum. They must be positioned in a meaningful way. And there are four elements to a positioning statement,
Yes.
as you know very well. The target audience, right, which is the customer who represents the brand user. The frame of reference, which is the category in which the brand competes. And when the frame of reference is too broad, the products and services lack relevance to the customer. And when the frame of reference is too narrow, then you might miss competitors who can deliver the product in a better, more disruptive and customer-centric way.
Great.
Point of difference is the most compelling and motivating benefit that your brand owns. And the reason to believe is the most convincing proof that your brand delivers against its promise. And before I move on, I really want to talk about this frame of reference because it's so important that you get this right. And I want to give you an example. So Apple back in the early 90s was on the brink of collapse. And they were forced to redefine their frame of reference from being just a computer hardware brand where all the other PC manufacturers were. And so instead, they focused on simplifying lives by adding significant value in the customer experience. And so now today, right, Apple is thriving with generations of loyal fans and streaming innovation. And so it's just an example of getting this right, the importance of getting this right.